Ever wished you could simplify your travel plans? Look no further, as VNA Travel Services is the solution to your travel plans as your one-stop shop. In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to make travel stress-free. First, let's talk about visas and work permits. We are a leading visa and work permit agency. We have partners in over 192 countries. We can help you to make your dreams come through. Apply early to avoid last-minute stress. Next, passports. Always check the expiration date. Renew it 6 months before it expires. For flight bookings, we find the cheapest fare to suit your budget. Hotel reservations can be tricky. VNA Travel can make your travel plans hassle-free and save you the time of reading hotel reviews. So, leave your travel plans with us to save you time. We make sure that you don't pay an extra fee, as we will make sure that you have free cancellation options. Need a hire car or shuttle service? We compare prices with our partners to make sure that your plans suit your budget. Book early with VNA Travel Services for better rates. Freight logistics for your business? We can choose reliable land, air, or sea freight services on your behalf. Track your shipments for peace of mind. Like what you see? Send us a message for more information. Don't forget to follow, or subscribe to our page. Thank you.